Hello and welcome to All About Spain with me, Barry Haler. Today we're in Valencia. We're at one of the most iconic markets in Spain, the Central Market. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please subscribe and please ring that bell. Thank you very much. So we're coming into the Central Market in Valencia. As you can see, it is mega busy, but it's maybe one of the best markets in Spain. So we'll have a look around and see what we can see. Obviously all the normal stuff in markets, but over here they have bars and cafeterias that you sit in and have a drink while you've bought your shopping. So it's quite an interesting place to come around. And as you can see, there's meat, there's fruit and veg, and there's hundreds of people. But it's a beautiful smells, and the building itself, if I pan right up into the ceiling, that ceiling is just absolutely lovely. Look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? It really is. So it's another part of coming to Valencia that you'd all enjoy, especially if you've never been over this part of the world before. But yeah, so this is the Central Market. So we're going to have a wander around, see what we can see.
Igual es Nani.
But if I go quiet, talk between yourselves, because I'm looking, this is the first time I've been here as well, so I'm finding it very interesting. We'll have a walk down here, I think, and see what we can see. Yeah, trying to avoid bumping into people. I've got the video camera up in the air, trying to give you guys the best shots that I can give. This is all quite new to me, so each time I do one of these, hopefully I'll get better, but you never know, could get worse. But you've got some great hams in here, look. You know, beautiful hams. One of the best countries in the world for ham. So definitely worth experiencing that. Well, they do good bread as well. We just had our breakfast, it was lovely. And you can see the ham here. I mean, it's just, look at that ham is just beautiful. You've got the sausages and you've got the big whole hams hanging up, as they always do, and hang up for months. So, but just weaving in between everyone at the moment. So we've got some fresh food here. Here, look, this is the famous Valencian paella, which I think, even though I've had some breakfast, I think I could still tuck into a plate of that. I mean, that is just absolutely lovely. So this is what I said to you, typical little bars where they have tapas. They sit here, have a drink, coffee, or a cognac. So it's the food all looks lovely. They're famous for the cognacs and their tapas, of course. They've got little gift shops here as well. Buy your fresh bread. But it's an incredible building. I don't know how old the building is. I'll find out. But currently, I don't know how old. But the roof is just, it looks really old. So that's the we come in one way, and this is the other entrance here. There's some coloured glass above the door entrance. So okay, I think we've seen quite a bit of this.